Model, 2021 Fiat Ducato 35 2.3 160 Multijet Auto MH1 MAXI. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 101,124. MOT, the 15th of February 2025. Engine, 2287 cc F1 AGL 4112 E6 DTEMP. Transmission, automatic, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox will need repairing or replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 0 former keepers, parking sensors, air con, reversing camera, electric windows, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £10,695. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.